Hello everyone, my name is Viktorija and today I'm gonna talk about Jen Sincero, You Are a Badass, and my main 3 lessons that I've learned from reading this book. It was such an inspiring book, and if you're looking for something to kick your ass and motivate you to work towards your dreams, I highly recommend to watch this video till the end because you'll find out if this book might just be for you. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Your thoughts shape your reality. Or the way Jen Sincero puts it, rise to the frequency to your vibration. And she goes along talking about the universe being the source energy, and we as humans need to learn to utilize it to our own advantage, which sounds like this pseudoscience law of attraction, which I think is a little bit funky, but okay, you can't deny it. There's some sort of energy around you, around us, in the universe. There's matter that's being studied by the astrophysicists. And while we don't really know what exactly it is, there are also thoughts that send different message to you and to people around you. If every day you wake up and you tell yourself, I'm a lazy bum, what kind of energy are you sending to the world around you? Yeah, lazy bum energy. And if every day you wake up and you tell yourself, I am a badass, you are sending some badass energy into the universe and to the people, to the world around you. So if it takes the same amount of focus to tell yourself that you're awesome, why are you still putting up with all this drama? Why are you still telling yourself you're not good enough? Stop with that negative self-talk and switch that negative self-talk with the pep talk. What I like to do is to look for evidence from my own experience in my own life to prove myself that, hey, I'm good enough, I'm not pathetic, I'm not a lazy bum, I have a job, I have an apartment, I have a roof over my head, and I'm also healthy and I exercise, so I'm a badass. And I bet you are too. Time is an illusion. I'm running out of time. Oh my god, I don't have enough time. I wasted all this time? What is time anyways? I mean, even astrophysicists don't entirely agree on what is time, but they do agree that time exists. But Jen Sincero invites us to look at time from a different perspective, like the concept of not having time is an illusion. For example, you come into your office is a mess, and you tell yourself, I don't have time to clean it because I need to do my work. And by the end of the day, you can't find your phone because your office is a mess. And you've just spent 30 minutes looking for your phone in your messy office, and yeah, you've spent these 30 minutes that you didn't have in the first place, yet they somehow magically appeared. What does that mean? So what I'm trying to say here is that you can take time as long as you respect it. And Einstein taught us that time is relative. So not only do you have to respect time, but also the space and the objects around you. Show time some respect. Go to bed an hour earlier. Wake up an hour earlier. Leave for work 10 minutes earlier. And who knows? Maybe time will reward you with more time you can waste on scrolling through Facebook or reading a book that might inspire you. I don't know. Getting uncomfortable is part of the fun. And successful people know that not only do they have to get uncomfortable from time to time, but they need to make it into a habit. Or, in other words, find comfort in discomfort. And the way I understand this uncomfortable feeling is that fear inside of you, or again, that negative voice in your head that tells you you can't do it. But you know what? You must do the thing that scares you. Because without putting yourself into difficult situations, challenging situations, there's no growth. And who wants to stay the way they are for the rest of their lives? To wrap this all up, we talked about how your thoughts shape your reality. If you think you're a lazy bum, you are. And if you think you're an awesome badass, you are. So it's up to you which truth you choose to believe in. We also talked about time, how not having time is an illusion. And as long as you show it some respect, step by step, you will tame the time and some time will start showing up. And lastly, we talked about how this uncomfortable feeling is just part of having fun. So just acknowledge it and get comfortable, because it's really nice when you start working towards your dreams. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little chat about You Are a Badass by Jen Sincero, all my lessons from this book. And if you did, please like and subscribe and comment below. Let me know what kind of books have inspired you in the last year. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Oh, you're so beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god.